You check these out. I got these for $33. I got them down to $33 bidding on them on eBay. And these are brand new in the package. They just didn't come out or anything. They're brand new as far as in the package. They haven't been used. Here it is, 2019. And this is, of course, the model that came before the newer model we have now in the WorkTunes. You can see it says AO Safety, which is American Optical, or Aero, American Ear and Optical, Aero, however you want to say it. And the logo brand right there, and the LCD screen instructions, and there's the ear cushions you can see up in there. I don't think any of it's dry rotted. It looks like it's been kept pretty good. Really well preserved. And it tells you what it's used for and stuff like that. Noise reduction rating, batteries. Here's what gets me, other than the AO Safety internet site. But if you look down here, it says 2007, copyright 2007, Aero Technologies, AO Safety, and WorkTunes trademarks, licensed to Aero Technologies, iPod, a registered trademark of Apple. So this thing is about 12 years old, getting on 12 years old. And it's in this pristine condition. I don't know if I even want to take it out of the darn package to even mess with it. I don't know if that's wires, the rubber on it, or the plastic. It might be dry rotted or not, but it doesn't look like it. The antenna is probably going to hold that form. If I did take it out, it'd be like that, you know. But wow. That's something else. And it probably doesn't take, well, I suppose it does. I suppose it would take some of the stations, because a lot of people are still using this kind of headset, so they haven't got up to the newer model, that newer model of these, which is 90541, the newer. It's a redesign. This one right here is 90541. You can see it right there. And but this is the version that came out before that, the new design. And this is when it belonged to AO Safety, Aero. It's before they sold out to or vice versa, sold out to 3M. 3M bought out Aero Technologies, and also got Peltor along with it. So as you can see here, it says WorkTunes, and on the bottom there, it says Peltor, Pelter, and that's the main designer of these headphones. They designed the design is from them. And of course, it says right here the component is from China and Sweden. The electronic circuits are from China, and the main headphone itself, the earmuff itself, is from Sweden. That's Peltor, and it's similar in the United States. That's pretty neat. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but that's something I thought I'd show for fascination of it. It just, for it to be 11 or 12 years old, that's pretty pristine, you know. You see the design change on these things. Whenever it got bought out by 3M, and eventually became 3M Tech. 3M Tech was they held this model right here for a long time, and they redesigned in 2015, and that's when these came out. These replaced this headset right here, replaced this headset right here.